Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make chapati rolex, step-by-step tutorial from scratch. If you're new here, welcome and welcome back to Beyond Aroma of Kenya, where I make simple and easy recipes perfect for ordinary families. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. Good morning again. Right here I have 1 kilogram of lotus all-purpose flour. I have some water here in a flask. I'm going to go ahead and add 800 ml of water to my jug, and then to it I'm going to add some salt to taste, some cooking oil. Cooking oil is very important. Add enough so that your chapatis are soft enough. And then I'll go in with my hand and mix this. So make sure the salt dissolves in, and then make sure that you use warm water. Now I'll go in with my all-purpose flour. Okay, so for the water, the 800 ml of water, you're not going to add it in once. Add the water in bit by bit. For the 1 kilogram of flour, you're going to leave some flour behind for dusting. I'll add a little oil and then I'll knead in the oil. I'll cover my dough for around 20 minutes. Then we'll rest it. So right here I have 1 carrot. I already prepared some green onion and coriander. I'll chop my onions and coriander. Moving on, I'll now grate my carrot. I already washed my carrot. I removed the ends. I'll add my pot to the fire. I'll add my chopped onions in. I'm going to add just a dash of oil, just a little to fry my onions. I decided to fry my onions to give our vegetable mixture a little bit of aroma. Yeah, so I'll add my grated carrots in. Actually, we are not going to overcook our carrots. I want some crunchiness in the carrots. I'll remove it from the heat and set it aside. Make sure you completely cool this. Okay, so it's already past 20 minutes. I'll check on order. I'm going to rub some oil to my hand, and then I'll make balls out of our dough. So I'll pinch my dough and then I'll make roundels out of my dough. This size. Set it aside. So I already made my roundels over here. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to be spreading my dough out. I'll rub some oil to my working surface. I'll use my rolling pin to spread my dough. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut strips in the middle across. And then I'll bring my dough together. I'll go ahead and stretch my dough. And then I'll wrap it around my fingers like this. And then I'll seal the middle part here. And then I'll set it aside. I'm done with my roundels. I'll pick one of my roundels. I'll dust it to my flour. And then I'll roll it out. So I'm leaving a little dough in the middle. The pan I'm going to be using as a little issue. It's a little light in the middle, so it dries chapatis in the middle. So the middle has to be a little thicker to avoid drying of my chapatis. You can just roll out your dough normally. Usione ni kama nimeweka madudu. Okay, now I roll out the middle. Just a little. I already added my pan to the fire and preheated it. I'll go ahead and add my dough and spread it. Now I'll turn this aside. Okay, so I'll not add oil to my chapatis for now. I'll just set them aside over here. Right here I have 4 eggs. I'm going to break my eggs to my bowl here. I'll add a pinch of salt to taste. To give our eggs a little heat, I'll go in with some black pepper, a 1/4 tablespoon. Then now I'll beat my eggs. I'll go in with my vegetable mixture now. And like I said before, prepare your vegetables and set them aside so they can cool. Or if you had them here when they're hot, the eggs are going to be sticky, kind of cooked. So I'll mix this up. I'm going to fry the first side of my chapati. I'll add in some oil and then I'll spread it around. I'll preheat my oil and then I'll add my chapati and I'll swing it. So after you cook both sides like this, we set it aside first. I'm going to add a little bit of my oil again. This is going to fry our eggs. I'll spread it properly. And then I'll add my egg. Now before the upper part dries, add your chapati. smells so good.
I want to taste.
Nataka kutaste kila kitu. This side of our eggs is just ready. See that? Set it aside. Ditch nothing. Ditch it. Ngoja kidogo baba, nakupea sijakata. Okay, our Rolex are ready. I'll roll them first. They are called Rolex for a reason. I'll cut it. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a taste test. You guys, this is so good. The green onions bring the aroma. I don't feel the heat in it though, I can't lie. But the coriander and the onion is just perfect. I'll dig in. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked today's video and you try very simple chapati rolex recipe that you can try at home. You can use leftover chapatis if you have some leftover chapati at home. Thanks for watching again and kindly subscribe to my channel to support me to create more videos like this, and check out the playlist that I made on my channel. You'll get a bunch of my videos in there that you're going to love. See you in my next video. Bye, and remember to subscribe.